My name is Manvit. I'm back with another video. But once look at this, guys. Piggy Roblox, Piggy Book 2, Piggy Book 2 Winter Holiday, guys. Yeah, if you're wondering, I think there's some new skins. Yes, guys, I'm thinking there's some new skins, and maybe there could be a new chapter. If there's no chapter, then let's play some Minecraft. Because I have some surprising things in Minecraft. But let's see. I think there's a wait, guys. Wait. What about if this is actual chapter 5? The Christmas holiday thingy. What about if this is chapter 5, guys? Like chapter 4 just released means not not 10 days, but just released some days before. Few days before actually. It released few days back ago, and then boom, chapter 5 came. Ooh, yeah. Let's play chapter 4. I mean chapter 5, guys. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, and actually, if you're wondering that did I completed chapter 4, I did complete chapter 4 in my tab, but I didn't complete chapter 4 in the computer. Yeah, because I was doing some Minecraft work, so I didn't have that much time. Oh, yeah, and if the bot is right here, guys. Let us look at the new skins, guys. Yes, guys, let's look at the new skins. Ooh, come on, the new skins should come. Come on! Maybe I should just... Ooh, yes, guys, it's coming. Piggy Book 2, chapter 5. Wait, guys, I just now remember the holiday event. Means like Christmas event. Wait, could this be not chapter 5? Let's see this, guys. There's no... Or what? There's no... Wait, how... Oh, wait, yeah, still me. What the... Skin set... Reindeer Dessa. Dessa is now a reindeer, guys. Woohoo! Yay! Dessa is now a reindeer. Wait, is there? What do you mean that? I got already. Let's go for bot. Where is play? I need to do this, guys. I think this might be irritating. That's why I'm going to just pause the video. Okay, yes. Wait, what? We are still in the same server? Are you kidding me? We were still in the same server for the whole time. Okay, guys, let's see if this is chapter 5 or nothing else is there. Let us see chapter. Please be. This will be a chapter 5. I'm waiting. What? Winter holiday? Wait, guys, this is the snow event. Guys, this is the snow event. I hope this will be there for long, because maybe I might die and not finish this. But yeah, guys, I knew there's no badges. Wait, no, why? No! But guys, let me just wait. Is there actually? There's no badge, guys. Yes. Oh wait, there's no badge. So yeah, there's no point of. Oh yeah. I think. Wait. So what's the? Okay. So what? Wait, did we? What's this? We all forget the present. So, yeah. Oh wait, where should I go, guys? Wait, I have been to here. Wait, I never been to here. I know that sound anyway. It's so Piggy. Oh my gosh, I'm scared now, guys. Oh no, somebody died already. Wait, did I ever went to the maze? I think I never went into the maze, guys. Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Maze didn't only give us this much time? Ah! Okay, so wait, that's all. Is that for Gigi? Wait, guys, is that the bot? Wait, guys, I think that's the bot. Yeah, guys, that's so. What the? Is this? Who is this? Wait. Okay. Maybe there is these things. Okay. And this lollipop, I think it's for Juji. Ooh, the carrot. Where does this carrot goes, guys? Guys, do you know where does this carrot go? I don't know what to do with these. Okay, I think hey guys, do you know the book is there, right? Wait, the sword, I know where does this go. Oh my gosh, guys. That's Snow Piggy! Snow Piggy, you're a good piggy, right? Yes, this is for Gigi. Yes, guys, I think the sword is waiting. I have to keep it in the tree. Hello, Pony, are you talking to Gigi? Wait, it's gone. That means that was the correct thing. I need to do that. Hi guys. I'm scared. How many presents are there? Wait, we need a lollipop for Juji or G. I don't know who eats the lollipop. Oh wait, the shovel. I don't know where I think the carrot is for Pony. So yeah, you take the shovel. Okay, so somebody gave the book. Somebody kept the book in the present. That means that's definitely. Hey, you forgot this thing. Oh, wait, lollipop. It's for G or Juji someone. I don't know who wants it. Oh, the shovel is here. Yes, I need it. Because somebody forgot to do one thing with it. There's snow here. Good, some snow is gone. Wait guys, why I cannot see no one? No. Aman! I need to keep I think that was the last present, guys. sorry. But I'm not leaving while I finish this. Why's the button stuck? I'm not leaving. I'm not going to do. I need to finish this. No! Please, the winter holiday thing. Yes! I want to see the ending. I want to see it. What? No! Okay, I'll go with player at least. Not with traitor. Wait. Anyways, I'll go with player. Phew, not me. That's why I hate player, because they have traps, and also maybe you can be player. Oh yeah, I did not know. Hey guys, I have also just now noticed that. Look at this. Gigi is happily din di da. I'm acting like a snail. Oh yeah, snail. That wiggly worm. That reminds me about Peppa Pig. Wiggly worm. Hey George, do you remember that time when you played with Peppa like wiggly worm? Guys, I think let me check if there's something out. Okay, never mind. We need a shovel for that. I think the shovel was in the maze. Okay, come on. I don't need to go there. I cannot even go. Oh, fine. Oh, Piggy. Now we're going into page. Don't need to go into page. Why am I telling page instead of maze? Never mind. Not going into the maze. Never ever going to a maze. Actually, I have to go to maze. And is this supposed to be there? Piggy, stop chasing me. Piggy? Guys, I'm scared to go inside the maze, but at least I need to go inside to find something. I found it. Yes, I need to take this to Gigi. No. Where's that? I think I remember it was here, guys. Yes, that where the Gigi thing is here. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah, traps. She's wasting all of her traps. Gigi and her sisters. Oh, this is for Gigi and sisters. Then what was the lollipop for? Maybe for George. And also, guys, then what about the robot? Is robot for Mimi and Giraffe as the book? No. What is this? Shovel! Good. Found a shovel. What? I can't fix the shovel, guys. Yes. Finally found it. Is there anything? There's nothing. And there's a piggy. We were a good piggy, right? Guys, our new mission is that to find who will eat the lollipop. Who wants the lollipop? Wait, the book. Found the book. And I think that house was here, guys. I think there was a house, an old mansion where it was broken. I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, we have to also use the shovel for that. Maybe there is something. Hey, wait, what? It's not coming, guys. Oh, Mimi could. Giraffe! The lollipop is for Giraffe, guys. Lollipop is for Giraffe. The lollipop is for Giraffe. That makes sense. Ooh, Giraffe is dressed up as Father Christmas. Okay, I think giving the lollipop to Gigi. Shoot! Oh wait, where's that shovel? Yes. I think giving the lollipop to getting the lollipop present to. Oh wait, yeah, the pony. Oh wait, George. Yes, I forgot about George's present also. This must be for George, guys. I think I saw the robot thing here. Somewhere here. No, I'm going the wrong way. Shit, this mage is super duper magey. Wait, that's not a meaning, guys. Is there Piggy? I spy Piggy. Shit, guys, again! Please tell me. No, it's not the last present. Still, we have to give Giraffe. Shit! That was not the last present. Oh, man. Okay, guys. Now we know everything. So, book is for house. Okay, guys. Now I know where the stuff is. So let me first. First go into the green maze, and we also know where does the piggy spawn actually. Piggy spawn in the maze, I think. Or maybe in the toys place. I should have seen when does piggy spawn. So guys, I don't know if the maze is actually is the maze safe or not. We don't know that, guys. Yeah, guys. Bot. Good. Great. Now everyone vote for bot. This must be easy, guys. We try player. Just stop this. I don't want Minecraft. Because I know that this video is going to be too long for Minecraft playing. So did everyone skip? I cannot skip the cutscene. I can only skip the ending cutscene. Oh wait, what? Guys, I'm stuck. I cannot move. Oh wait, now I can move. Wait, what? Did you find anything? Oh wait, the carrot. Yes, guys, the carrot. Wait, that's for the house. I mean the white door. We need the carrot for the white door. Piggy woken. I wonder where does Piggy work. Wait, did you find anything there? Nope, he didn't pick anything also. Yes, good, great. Now, wait, should I actually just do that? Oh, easy. Wow, that was super duper no! Yes, that was a super duper no. Oh, but yes, guys, the shovel is in the maze. I forgot that. Why am I always forgetting about the shovel? If I don't do that, then I cannot even open this, guys. Okay, then. Okay, good. Oh no! Uh-oh. I'm scared now. Hello. Oh wait, the lollipop. Guys, this doesn't look like a lollipop. Oh wait, how did the piggy get there? How did I? How? Guys, how did a piggy just literally came there? Oh no, we have 1 minute. I hope everyone. Is this the last present? Please tell me this is. Oh no, man. Oh, it says. Oh shit. Wait, did anyone found a... Okay, the carrot gift queen, I already know that it was over. Wait, is this it? No, there's one more. What the? Ah! What? Oh, phew. That was super duper. Guys, that was almost... I almost bumped into Piggy. I don't know why did I even did that. Let me take this shovel. I think there's some... I think I need this for something. Okay, I don't need to dig that. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, wait. Are you giving a... Wait guys, I think he has the last present, guys. He has the last present. I think he has the last present, guys. Guys! You won't believe what just happened. Some weird creature was chasing me the whole time. This whole time. Guys, this is... Did any of you even see it? I even ran through the cabin with it behind me. Strange. We didn't see that at all. Also, did you just run out and find gifts for all of us? Is that we are? I agree. So now that we are here, let's open the gift. Oh, that is the end? No. Thank you so much for the carrot circus, baby. Oh yeah. I will try my best to save it later. I think he's gonna eat it. Oh, and I absolutely love this book. I will be reading it over and over for a while. A fencing foil. Now I can be just like Gigi. Behold, careful, Juji, that and be sure to not say Gigi. Thank you so much, Circus Baby, for this. Look like the one back at home, and it means me so much. Yes, guys. Oh, dried. Come on, everyone, let's play. Happy holidays, everyone. Yeah, guys, that was basically end of the video. Yes, guys. And yes, guys, you saw that. How did Pony just get that thing in beard? Oh wait, yeah, Minitoon did that. But yes, guys, George was telling the robot. No, that was also in chapter 12. Distorted memory. I couldn't play it, but it's still in 100%